Hello students, recently we completed acids. Today we are going to discuss about the bases. Now first one, properties of bases. Some bases are bitter taste, and as usual some bases turn red litmus to blue. Bases are soapy to touch, and bases neutralize acids and produce salts. Bases acts as good conductors. These are the properties of bases. And next topic, bases produce OH minus ions. If you're comparing the bases and bases with acids are producing H plus ions, hydride ion, and bases are producing OH minus ion, that is hydroxide ion. That is how the bases are producing OH minus ion in aqueous solution is now given some reactions here. When NaOH is a strong acid, NaOH react with, in the aqueous solution, NaOH dissociate into Na plus and OH minus ion. Everyone should observe that Na and OH bases produce OH minus ions. The molecule which produce OH minus ions are called bases. Here NaOH, Na plus and OH minus ions. Next reaction, MgOH twice. Here magnesium hydroxide dissociate into Mg plus 2, producing OH minus ion. And the third one is AlOH thrice. It dissociate into Al plus 3 and produce OH minus ion. So bases, if you are observing here, bases are producing OH minus ions in aqueous solution, that is water, in water. So this, in each and every base, NaOH strong base, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide commonly contain OH. So here NaOH, 1 OH is there, MgOH twice, 2 OH are there, and AlOH thrice, 3 OH are there. The number of OH groups are acidity of bases. We can call it as acidity of bases. Now the acidity of base NaOH is 1, in MgOH twice is 2, AlOH thrice is 3. While we in the topic acids, we explained about that basicity of acids. There, the number of replaceable hydrogens that we explained previously, and in the same way in the bases also the common point is there, OH, that is acidity of bases. The number of OH groups in the given base is nothing but acidity of bases. Next one, salts. Acids completed and bases, and the third topic is salts. Already we discussed in the introduction neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is when acid react with the base. When acid react with base, produce salts with water. This is called the neutralization reaction. In each and every case, salts are producing. Now we are discussing about the salts. So salts are, some types of salts are there. Commonly we are having that normal salts. Normal salts are nothing but when a strong acid react with a strong base. Strong acid react with strong base. That means when the acid and base reacting with each other, strong acid and strong base, they must completely neutralize. So the dissociation and completely neutralization will be taking place here. Then that salts and water are producing. That salts are called normal salts. When strong acid and strong base reacting with each other, normal salts are produced. That is a normal salt. Example I given here. So dear students, once you should observe that the chemical reactions. Some students in the previous class, you didn't get how the chemical reactions are going on. So when I explained about the atomic structure and periodic table and chemical bonding, you should have the clear idea about that, how the electrons are transferring, how the bonding is taking place, how the atoms are dissociating and oxidation. So that all the when you learn all the topics, then it is very easy for you to understand the reactions. Till then, you should remember the concepts that what I am explaining, that you should listen to me carefully. HCl is a strong acid and NaOH is a strong base are reacting with each other. What we are explaining now, normal salts. So normal salts are nothing but when strong acid and strong base are reacting with each other, strong acid and strong base are reacting with each other, they produce salts. That salts are called normal salts. Here HCl is a strong acid and NaOH is a strong base. Both are reacting with each other. So how the dissociation is taking place? Once you should check, HCl dissociate into H plus and Cl minus ions. Definitely each and every case, when the reaction is taking place, the HCl is dissociated into H plus and Cl minus ion. And in another case, NaOH dissociate into Na plus and OH minus ions. This is the internal reaction is there. And what they are producing when these two chemicals reacting with each other, here H plus and Cl minus, Na plus and OH minus ions. So this negative and the positive both are attracting with each other. These two are combining, Na plus and Cl minus both are combining with each other. They form like this, Na plus Cl minus, they produce NaCl salt. NaCl. So in the rest, H plus and OH plus and minus both attracting with each other. So that H plus and OH, so we can call it as H2O. So this is the reaction. These are the normal salts. When strong acid and strong base reacting with each other, normal salts produced. So remember that point. Next one, second, acidic salts. Acidic salts are nothing but when strong acid react with the weak base. Strong acid react with weak base. So those are called the acidic salts are producing. Let us see the example. HCl reacting with NH4OH, hydrochloric acid reacting with ammonium hydroxide. NH4OH is ammonium hydroxide. So it produces NH4Cl and H2O. How the dissociation is taking place in the reaction, let us see. HCl can be dissociated into H plus and Cl minus, previously we discussed. And here NH4OH dissociated into NH4 plus OH minus ion. Here NH4 plus and Cl minus both are combining with each other and they produce NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. So next remaining H plus and OH minus produce H2O, water molecule. It releases the water molecule. Here now the NH4Cl is the acidic salt. So strong acid and weak base, that salts are called acidic salts. And next third salt is basic salt. When strong base reacting with weak acid, strong base reacting with weak acid, so it produces basic salts. Let us see the strong base and weak acid, the two examples that we taken now. NaOH and weak acid is CH3COOH, both are reacting with each other. So how the dissociation is taking place in the chemical reaction? Dear students, definitely should observe each and everything. NaOH dissociate into Na plus and OH minus ion. This is strong base. Here CH3COOH dissociate into CH3COO minus H plus ion. So here CH3COO minus and Na plus and minus both are reacting with each other, combining with each other. It produces CH3COO minus Na plus. These two combined, we can call it a CH3COO Na. Next one, H plus and OH commonly they combined with each other, they produce H2O, water molecule. So these are the types of salts. So in your higher standards, you may studied about the double salts and mixed salts and complex salts as well. So basis properties that we explained, basis properties and how the bases are producing OH minus ion, and explain about the salts, acid and base combined with each other, produce salts with water, and the types of salts I explain: normal salts, acidic salts, basic salt. So this is the topic. Next class we should discuss about the pH scale, that is how can we identify the acids and bases on the pH scale. Thank you students.